What's up guys? In today's video we're going to be unboxing our Little Bros Micros grow kits. We're going to be showing you how to plant them. First we got the soil bag and then the spray bottle with the little microgreen on it.
You have pea shoots and sunflowers.
Yep, those are the two varieties of seeds. You have a Little Bros Micros sticker.
And 4 trays.
4 trays. So 2 of the trays are going to have holes. And 2 of them are not going to have holes. Now that we showed you everything that's in the kit, we're going to walk you step by step on how to plant. First, you grab your seeds, both of them. Which one you want to do? You do sunflowers. Okay. So you're just going to open the bag, and then you're going to get a bowl of water and soak them. So the pea shoots, you'll soak them for about 8 hours. And then the sunflower shoots, you'll soak for about 2 hours. So not as long. The sunflower shoots don't take as long. You dump the sunflower seeds in. Make sure they're nice and wet. So with the sunflower shoots, you want to just make sure both sides get wet, kind of stir it up a little bit every once in a while. But now with the pea shoots, they will sink and they'll get nice and wet. But they will swell up because they will just suck up like a lot of that water. So just make sure you put enough water in it. Now we're just going to dump out the water, just like this. Boom. Alright, now I'm just going to dump mine back in so Dylan can do his.
Nice save.
It's sticking. The sunflowers really like to stick when they're wet.
Alright, next you're going to grab your soil bag and you're going to dump half of the soil in one tray. So, about...
Like that.
Almost about good. Did you want to do a tray? Okay. Just try to get it as even as you can. Why'd you do that on your head?
I don't know.
Okay, used all the soil. So, just smooth it out as best you can with your finger. And then, you're going to take the bottom tray off, just like this. Put it on top and just push it down. Push it down, that's it. You grab your spray bottle and you get your soil nice and wet.
Hi, P.
Back a little bit so we can get all of it. 1 second, be right back. Someone wanted to join us.
Just nice and wet.
That's pretty good. Alright, P. So I'm just going to get mine nice and wet. So that's about good. And then you're going to grab your seeds. You're just going to dump them out in the tray. And then you're just going to spread them out the best you can.
The sunflowers are like Spider-Man. Like to stick when they get wet. What?
She pecked me. Her favorite snack is sunflower shoots.
Here.
You want a sunflower shoot? Look. Get it. You're not hungry right now?
Whoa.
Whoa, girl.
Whoa, girl.
Whoa, girl. It's okay. Here, get it. You're not hungry? She's not hungry. There you go. Okay, after you get your seeds all spread out, you'll spray them one more time.
It just whisker me.
Penelope. Oh, she's coming for a little snack. What are you doing up
Penelope, we're trying to make a video.
here? Come here. What are you doing? Oh, don't fall off. I'm gonna get you. Come here.
Penelope.
Just munching it out, aren't you?
Here you go. Here you go, girl. There you go, girl.
This is her favorite snack ever. I don't think he's supposed to be on the table though. That's my bracelet, sister.
Hey, she likes to make messes while she's eating too. As you can see.
Whoa, girl.
Getting close to the fingers, aren't you?
Back them a couple times. Ow. Ow. Why do you keep doing that?
She like numbs on them and spits them out.
You can't eat my bracelet. Here. Did she take your snacks away? You're starting. Ow.
Ah.
Do more. One more. One more. Get it. Get it. Get it. There you go. Oh, you dropped it. You want to clean up your mess? Now you're just going to go on. I'm not going to get you. You're fine. Look, you have all these. There you go. Just rip the whole thing. Oh, didn't like the dirt. Hey, don't pick the frog. He didn't do nothing. These are my pea shoots. Hey, don't do that. All right, girl, you're Stop. You're a turd. These are mine.
I don't got nothing.
These are mine. Ow. Get them. These are mine. Ow. Okay, that's enough. You're a turd. Alright, we're back. Dylan's gonna finish watering his.
Myself full in the face. Dumb job.
Don't tip it like that. Tip it like that. Yeah. There you go. If you just back it up, it'll get all of it. That's probably good. Okay. Now what you're going to do, you're going to take the bottom tray off, put the top tray on top, and you're going to go look for a rock. Let's go. Alright guys, we're just going to pick some rocks out of our patio. Just, you want some heavy rocks. And this size will work. And you just put it right on top, just like that. Maybe even 2 rocks. Let me go get one real quick.
Me too.
Alright, I'm gonna grab 2 rocks.
Me too.
Then you're just gonna put it on top like that. And for 4 days, it's gonna be like this. But every single day, you're gonna take the rocks off, take your top tray off, and you wanna water it. Every single day for 4 days. We're gonna pretend this is day 4. We're gonna take the rocks off, take the top tray off, and put it on the bottom. And you're gonna wanna put it next to a windowsill so it gets all that sunshine. And then every day, twice a day, you're gonna give it some water. And then you're gonna be able to watch it grow like crazy. So your sunflower shoots are gonna be looking like this on
Day 8 or 9.
day 7 to 8. Now, some of them are a little bitten off. Penelope got hungry.
And on the pea shoots, you're gonna wait for 10 days, and they'll look like this.
They're gonna be super tall, super juicy. They're gonna taste really good. Alright guys, now it's time to harvest them. You can put them on anything, eat them every day, all the time, whenever you want. So some of these are already eaten. Penelope, like I said, got a little hungry, but that's okay. She wanted a little snack. If you like these knives, remember, go check out barefootmicrogreens.com. You can get these knives.
They're so cool and very sharp.
So if you see these black seeds on the green, that's okay. That happens sometimes. Sometimes if you don't want to pick these off, you could just throw them away. Or if you have chickens, they'll love them.
Just got done harvesting all these great pea shoots.
And if you guys have microgreens left over, make sure you put them in the fridge so they stay nice and fresh.
The pea shoots are a little more juicy.
Yeah. They're sweeter, kind of.
Yeah, and the sunflowers are a little more like...
They taste a little more nutty. But they both taste the best. They're the two best flavors in my opinion. They're super sweet and I love them.
Yep.
The pea shoots, do not throw them out. They could regrow 2 to 3 times. But make sure you start watering them again.
Oh yeah, before I tell you, make sure you use filtered water. You want some?
Sure. We don't have it fully finished yet, but there will be a booklet included with the kit. It'll be like a booklet / coloring book thing. It's going to be really cool. First, we're going to be selling the Little Bros Micros kits at the Homesteading Live Conference. But if you guys like them a lot, comment down below if you want us to bring them to the online store, barefootmicrogreens.com. Guys, that was super quick and easy growing with the Little Bros Micros grow kits. We're just super excited to teach kids how to grow superfoods. Alright, get to growing.